We have to steel ourselves for the next 6 months and work together to slow the spread in order to save lives, to protect the elderly and vulnerable Australians. Cough and sneeze into your elbow. And I say this, while you may not be able to go to church, the synagogue, the temple or the mosque, I most certainly call on all people of faith in our nation to pray. I can assure you, my prayer knees are getting a good workout. As Australia works to flatten the curve and slow this virus, we also face an immense economic challenge. Across Australia today, many thousands of us, they are lining up at Centrelink offices as we speak. Something unimaginable at this scale. Working together with the banks, and I thank them also, to keep those businesses afloat wherever possible, to keep as many employees as they
sense, and anyone who's in quarantine or isolation or is one of those groups that we're...
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?